Good morning, Rangers. This is Miss Boyce. However, I'm not your speaker today. Today, you'll be learning about Terrence Connor Carson from 5th grader Darren Robinson.
T.C. Carson was born and raised in Chicago. He attended the University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign, and in 1981 became a member of the Ida Phi Delta fraternity. He was always encouraged by his family to pursue his dream of being a professional performer. He started by performing in many plays and musicals, such as The Wiz, Dreamgirls, and Ain't Misbehavin'. Carson is best known for his role as Kyle Baker on the hit 90s sitcom Living Single. His character was a series regular for the first 4 seasons and bumped to recurring status for the remainder of the series, run due to Carson's clash with the new writers, where he claimed they were showing favoritism to the Friends over Living Single. Carson also provided the voice of Samuel in the PBS Kids animated series Clifford the Big Red Dog. As a voice actor, he voiced Mace Windu in the animated series Star Wars Clone Wars. He reprised his role as Mace Windu in the Clone Wars series. He portrayed his Yes Route 23 survivor and school teacher Eugene Dix in Final Destination 2. He was provided the male voice of Coolio in the GameCube RPG, Baden Kato's Origins, and is the voice of Touchstone in the PlayStation portable shooter Siphon Filter Dark Mirror. His first voice of Kratos was for the original God of War for the PlayStation 2, and his final voicing of the character was in God of War Ancestor for the PlayStation 3, in which he also did the motion capture. Carson also provided Kratos' voice, but Kratos was a downloadable character in Everybody's Golf 5, and a guest character in Solo Trooper Broken Dynasty, Mortal Kombat, and PlayStation 3 and PlayStation Vita versions 2011 and 2012 respectively, and PlayStation All-Stars Battle Royale in 2002. Carson released a jazz funk DC CD called Truth in 2016. TC was featured on the cover of STS Entertainment and Fashion magazine.